Hello everyone, today I'm very excited. We've restocked our Heaps of Sweets palette, although they are flying out the doors, so hopefully by the time I upload this we've still got some. I'll update you down below. But anyway, I just thought it'd be fun to do a tutorial because I haven't in ages because it has been out of stock for a while. Just for those of you who have picked it up and just want some inspiration, want to, you know, find a new look to do with the palette, and I thought I would do a super cool purple look today because I'm just feeling very colourful. I've got this pink top on, lollipop earrings. I can't remember where I got these. I feel like Sally may have bought them for me for my birthday, perhaps. I can't remember. I also bought similar ones in Japan at a random shop, but I'm sure if you search like lollipop earrings, maybe you'll be able to find some similar ones. I'm gonna begin with priming. So we're just gonna use heaps of random stuff today. This is gonna be a chill, chatty video. I think first I'm just gonna go in with my color neutralizing CoverGirl base. I love these. I've just done my eyebrows. I don't know if it's out yet, but I have tested this like brow kit. So if it's already out, I'll link below, otherwise it is coming soon. I laminated my own brows, I waxed them, I tinted them with henna. Terrifying, so terrifying. But yeah, that's why my eyebrows are looking quite nice right now. I think it came out good, so make sure you check out that video when it's up, if it's up already, whatever. Oh, this primer feels so good on my skin. Alright, so I can't decide if I want to do my eye makeup first or do my base first. Maybe I'll do my eye makeup first. So first I'm just going to pop on some concealer. I'm just going to use this one because it's right here. This clip's annoying me. It's falling out of my hair. My hair's freshly washed. Tomorrow I'm actually going in to do a trial for my bridal hair and makeup. So I thought I'd better not really do anything to my hair. I thought I'd wash it today so that I've got second day hair for tomorrow. You know, I haven't straightened it or curled it or done anything, just so that whatever we do at the trial, you know, my hair's quite like natural. I don't know. You guys get what I mean, right? I'm thinking about filming that too. So, I mean, you might have seen it already, you might not have. I might not even do it. I don't even know what's happening. But it should be good. I probably shouldn't be putting on eye makeup since I just waxed my eyebrows. But hey, do as I say, not as I do. I'm using a dual petal brush. I'm just going to spread this out. And I am taking an exciting photo today. That's why I wanted to also use this palette, because our brand XO Beauty, my brand XO Beauty, it went into Farmers Sylvia Park. They launched their brand new Farmers store. It's so flash, so big, so amazing, and Sylvia Park's my favourite mall in New Zealand, basically. Like, it's my favourite mall. When I used to live in Auckland, would go there like most weekends. I'd get frozen yogurt, would go shopping, would get like donburi and stuff. So I love Sylvia Park. It's like such a cool mall, and we launched XO Beauty in Farmers at Sylvia Park. We just received the news as well that on launch day, it was one of the top selling brands. Like, you joking? I literally cried when I found out. So I just wanted to do an Instagram post today just thanking everyone for supporting the stand and supporting me and supporting Farmers, because they took us on, and it's very exciting. It's very professional, it's very scary, it's very adult, and I'm so excited about it though. It's just like the coolest thing ever. So very excited. I wanted to take a photo, and I thought it'd be perfect to wear my Heaps of Sweets palette since it's just come back in stock, and perfect time to do a tutorial for you guys too. People have been asking for tutorials for like the last few months, and I haven't really done them. I mean, I've worn just bits and pieces of the Heaps of Sweets palette, just like 1 or 2 shades here and there, but I felt too guilty to like do full-blown tutorials because it was out of stock, and I felt bad because people are like, when's it restocking? And as you guys know, this year's just been absolutely hectic, so it was really hard to get dates and get more information about, you know, when it was going to be here with materials and production and everything. Like, everything's been slow because of COVID, so I'm just so thankful it's finally here, and here I am doing a tutorial for you guys. So I hope you don't mind, and I hope you understand. I wasn't ignoring you guys for like no reason. Not really ignoring, like, as you guys understood, but you know. Now I like to use the petal side of the brush just to like blend. And I'm just going to dust a tiny bit of my yellow powder by MAC. This is the MAC contour kit, just to kind of set that, and then I'll add a little bit of P. Louise base. I feel like this eyeshadow look is going to come out very classic Shaaanxo from like 2013 or something, or I don't even know if that's the right year, but back when I used to love doing purple smoky eyes. I remember one year I was going to MAC for my birthday with my mum to buy a lipstick, because, you know, MAC's so expensive and I could never afford it, so it was like my birthday treat. I was going to MAC and I was like, right, I'm gonna wear my Saint Germain lipstick, I'm gonna wear my purple eyeshadow, like do a real artistic eyeshadow look so everyone thinks like, oh yeah, this girl knows makeup. I actually felt so good in it. So that's what we're channeling today. The new Heaps of Sweets palette does have a slightly updated packaging. You won't be able to really see on camera, but it's got a pearl finish now rather than matte finish. It feels so luxe. Can you see how it kind of shines a little bit? Don't laugh. We're just checking this shade Sugar, so I've got a whole palette of sugar, okay? But also the inner pan is also like that, so it just feels a little bit more luxurious as well. This is the old one and mine's destroyed, but here's the colours. We are going to begin with the shade Vanilla, I think. Do I want vanilla or macaron? Nah, vanilla. Alright, so I'm oh wait, I was gonna use this brush. It's like very thoroughly dirty. Why am I throwing things? Calm down, Shannon. Let's try that again. Taking vanilla, I'm gonna use a firm blender brush this time, or to start this time. Oh god, my eyelids are kind of creepy looking. What is happening? It's not a cute vibe, is it? I think it's because I set my concealer and then put the primer on. I thought that would be a good idea, and I don't know why I did that usually. I just chuck them on top of each other. But anyways, so I'm just going to literally apply this all the way across from inner to outer corner of my actual crease. Now Vanilla is a really beautiful, like kind of taupe purple undertoned neutral shade. It actually looks stunning just all over the eyelid and all over the crease, just as like a one eyeshadow look. I've got fluff on my brush now. Does anything else want to happen? Literally, like where does that even come from? Like dust floating around my room and it just sits into my brushes. These colours are so stunning to blend. I'm obsessed with my formula. Yeah, that's how they look. And hopefully you guys are enjoying the new palette as well. If you missed that launch video, I'll link it down below. I have brought out my next palette, dun dun, my Native Flora and Fauna palette by Shaaanxo, that's me. My own brand. Here's some of the colours and it is insane. You guys will love it, but this video is all about Heaps of Sweets. Now I'm going to wing this colour out a little bit towards my temple. I just love doing this lately, and I will clean it up with some concealer and everything later on. Yeah, my base is really ugly today, but hey, if the eyeshadows look good on top of a bad base, you know they're good, right? Also doing the same on the other eye. See how it's just got those subtle purple undertones, like very cool toned. So it just goes perfectly with like any of the colours in this palette. Even if you want to do copper, it's such a fun look. It just like really complements and contrasts and just pops. Like this pretzel shade, it's bomb. But I'm now going to go in with a little bit of Gum Drop on the same brush. And this is just going to go like kind of in the deeper part of the crease. I'm also going to blend it like into that outer corner just to give the lid colour something to kind of blend into nicely. Like how cool is that colour? It's kind of like a pinky purpley shade. I'm going to go back in with Vanilla and just kind of like bring that colour up a little bit. Now I'm going to take Lollipop, which is this beautiful, beautiful, like vibrant purple. It's a little bit cool, it's a little bit warm, like it's kind of like right in the middle. It's got like pinkier kind of like reflect, but like a cooler purple kind of vibe. Like it's a very cool colour. So I'm just going to pat that straight on my lid. I'll probably go in with an eyeshadow brush shortly because I can't really get in there properly. My fingernails are like way too long. I'm just like not even yeah, okay. I'm gonna do my best and go back in with an eyeshadow brush. I'm not gonna go on the very outer corner because I might use a little bit of Bonbon on the outer corner, which is like my dark indigo purpley bluey kind of shade from the palette. And I did wear a similar look to this to one of my meetups when I launched this palette, but I did that on live stream. I didn't YouTube it. I've not live streamed in the longest time and I really want to. I've just had a million trillion things I've been working on in the sidelines, so it's not really been good for me because constantly I'm just always thinking about work. But it's all gonna pay off. It'll all be worth it. It just means like at night time I couldn't just relax and like live stream and actually feel like I was being entertaining because like I'm always thinking of other things, if that makes sense. Like I always just had something else that had my attention. I've always just been like doing emails at night time. Like I'd be relaxing and hanging out with friends or like playing games and stuff, but like also editing and also replying to emails and working on new projects and figuring out like little things. So yeah, that's why I haven't really been live streaming a lot lately. I'm going to take this tiny little brush from Urban Decay with the shade Bonbon, which looks like this, and I'm going to pop that in at the outer corner, and then I might just fade it out with a little bit of Gum Drop again, blending it out thoroughly because I will sharpen that line with concealer soon as well. Soon. Right, now I'm going to go back in with my concealer. We're going to just do a little bit of concealer before foundation just so I can like make sure this is nice. And then just going in with that same brush again and just really sharpening up that line there. Looking good. I'm just going to go wet my sponge. Here's the before and after. I gave it a really quick wash with my solid brush soap. I missed a spot, but hey. Oh, and another one. For my foundation, I'm going to mix these two together. This is the Transformatte by Natasha, Denona, and I have the shades 42 NY Medium and 25 NY Light. Oh god, that's so clogged. Oh god, I'm nervous. Yes, this is how I really do my makeup. People get pressed when I pump it straight onto my face. And then just using my sponge, see, look, that came out of the pump just before it like squeezed out. It's like solid. Tasty. I'm blending that all over my face. Why do I feel the need to sing everything? I'd love to know. Because I'm really not good at singing either. It's not like I'm a good singer. I'm like, wow, everyone listen to my singing voice. It's so great. Like those people that are like, oh no, I can't sing. I suck at singing. And then they just walk around and they're just like singing and blatantly can sing very, very well and just want to make you feel bad about your own singing voice. Like that's not me. I'm just a bad singer. It's not even really singing, is it? It's more just like, hey. Like what is, I don't know. I'd love to know what happens inside my brain sometimes. Tell me why I thought this foundation matched me. And then back in with my MAC palette to set under my eyes before it creases too much. Oh, there goes the ball sacks. My eyes are literally a ball sack. I'm like, oh, use this powder. Handy. It's like literally gone. This is by MAC Studio Fix powder. So I need to set too much actually because this foundation dries quite matte. But we're gonna glow the F up. Back into my palette. I'm just gonna like apply whatever mishmash of shades is on here. I think it's mostly Gumdrop now. Just putting excess underneath just for a little smoky, and then we're going to use the darker colour closer to the lash line. Using a short shadow brush, I'm going to take Bonbon, which is the Art of V colour, and just smudge that close to the lash line. Attempt to anyway. And then go back in and blend. That looks so pretty. Yes! Okay, and then to finish off, we're going to use Sugar. I'm just going to use a tiny little brush. So Sugar is the creamy powdered like champagne pink, and it just absolutely glows. This brush is like literally on crack. I don't know what's happening. Brow bone too. I'm pretty happy with that eye makeup. I don't even think I want to use a winged liner. Maybe do I? I don't know. Let's just do some bronzer and stuff first. I'll figure it out. I'm just going to contour first with maybe a mixture of these ones. And this is a bronzer brush that is so good to contour with. For bronzer today I might use some Global Glow. I haven't used this in so long by MAC. I'm just going to use the same brush and apply that above the contour and then carry it around to my temples. And then I'm just going to set everything with some setting spray before I do like blush and stuff. And this is the Pretty Fresh by Colourpop. Oh, it smells so good. Oh my gosh, I'm in love with this eye makeup. I have want to look just like this, by the way. It's not the first time I'm doing that. Just every time I put it on, like, why do I not wear fun colors like this more often? Just like out and about, because this is pretty. Okay, time to attack the lashes, because I don't know why I'm nervous today. I think it's because I feel like I should be putting on some like eyeliner. I don't know. Let me just figure out what lashes I'm going to use first. This is the Colourpop Honey Dude eyeliner, by the way. I feel like these would just look beautiful, don't you reckon? These stacked lashes by So Beauty. These ones are the Tees, and they are double layered handmade lashes. So they are super, super fluttery. They've got like clusters, and then they've got the wispy end, like second layer. So they're wispy, thick, dramatic, but not like mink lash dramatic, if that makes sense. Faux mink lash, not real mink. Like, let's see if you can see up close. You can kind of see, I'll darken it. Like, how bomb. They're so curly and just fluttery. So I just feel like those will look so pretty with this look. Before and after time. Here's the before. I love filming these, by the way. And after, and I majorly stabbed this eye. I've just been like trying not to friggin' cry my makeup off everywhere. I just touch up my lower lash line a little bit, but there's the lashes. Hold on. Lighting's always shit, isn't it? Always, always, always shit. Aren't they just so stunning? Perfect with this look. They look so pretty. Oh, I've cried off this inner corner too. Love that for me. Alrighty, blush. I'm gonna go in with my OPV Beauty palette if I can find it, which apparently I cannot. I'm just gonna use this color here, which is called Melba by MAC, aka one of my first ever favorite blushes by MAC. One of my first ones I ever tried. It's like a peachy kind of color. For highlighter today, I'm gonna use Fenty Beauty, and I'm gonna use Fire Crystal, this one right here. I just feel like it'll look really good with this look. A very cool tone color. I feel like I want to use Deja Vu again because I used it the other day and I was just like, holy shit, I'm in love with this colour, and I hadn't used it in a little while. And I'm going to use it with that same pencil, Sienna by Jouer. And this is what Deja Vu looks like. It's like a warmer kind of nude. Oh my god, my eyes still hurt. I feel like I'm blinking funny. And then I'm going to follow up with Duet Lip Maximizer in 001, just for a glossier look. And maybe a tiny bit of Unicorn by Chi Lip Lights. It's got like a pink reflect. One more setting spray. I actually have a little bit of regret with the highlighter. I feel like it's too like silver or something. Like I feel like I should have done some kind of like pinky beigey kind of undertone, but that's okay. It still suits the look. I just prefer something a little bit less icy. But yeah, that is the finished look, guys. The Heaps of Sweets palette. I hope you guys enjoyed watching, and I love these purple tones. They're just so pretty. If you enjoyed it, please thumbs up, and I will talk to you guys in my next video. Let me know if there's any other kind of colors you want me to use from my palette as well. Love you all, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.